Hey guys, just want to show you this little air compressor my grandpa just gave me. It's a Craftsman. I think that says 2 gallon, 1.5 peak horsepower. Iron lubricated, cast iron cylinder. Not sure how much PSI it goes to. I think it's 115. See what it says anywhere else now. Yeah, I think it's 115 PSI. It works great and everything. It's not too loud, but it's not the quietest compressor either. But kind of dances around a little bit. It's got the release valve right here, or you can use the little valve on the bottom. And it's got, obviously the regulator and tank pressure and real light, and yeah, air filter. Still like new. Oh, it goes back on. And yeah, so that's just a little compressor my grandpa gave me. Just thought I'd show you guys. Thanks for watching.